Looking for a simple way to clean up after your next project in Alexandria? Wright Dumpster Rentals makes it easy with our 10-yard dumpster rental. Perfect for home renovations, small cleanouts, or weekend yard projects. We deliver right to your driveway, so you can focus on your work without worrying about trips to the landfill. When it's full, just give us a call, and we'll haul it away fast. Our 10-yard dumpsters are compact, yet spacious enough to handle debris from projects like bathroom remodels, garage cleanouts, or roof repairs. They fit neatly on most residential driveways, making them ideal for homeowners and contractors who need a convenient, affordable cleanup solution. With flexible rental periods and friendly local service, Wright Dumpster Rentals ensures every cleanup runs smoothly from start to finish. Whether you're tackling a small renovation or clearing out clutter, our 10-yard dumpster rental in Alexandria is the smart, stress-free choice. At Wright Dumpster Rentals, we take pride in prompt delivery, transparent communication, and reliable waste removal you can count on. Call today or book online to schedule your 10-yard dumpster and make your cleanup effortless.